Hello and welcome everybody to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how we guys can log in into Crosscountry mortgage account. Now for those people who do not know Crosscountry, basically it's a company which provides you mortgage, and mortgage is also known as loan. And there's different types of mortgage, and you can apply for any mortgage you want from Crosscountry. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move forward. So the first step is search for Crosscountry Mortgage Login, and then click on the first link over here. It will take you to this website over here. Scroll a bit down and click on Resist Secure Login. And it's going to take you to this website. Over here just enter the username of your account over here and then enter the password of your account and then click on Login. And you should be able to log in into your Crosscountry mortgage account. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.